What's up? Welcome back to my channel, my TikTok, whatever. My name is Caela. My sign name is Caela. Today we are learning about if hearing aids, hold on, let me give it. Hearing aids, my hearing aid, is waterproof or not. So I have the Oticon Sensei Pro. I got it when I was 10. I'm in my 20s now. Maybe, actually I got this when I was older. So it is old, so new technology probably does exist, but why I hate hearing aids so much is because they are not waterproof. And I know, I'm not going to go swimming. I can't swim. I am epileptic, so that's very dangerous for me. But when I would play sports, like basketball or sports high intensity, and I would sweat or would just work out in general, it would die. Like, it would just stop working because it would have water in them. Or, like, I'd have to put, like, a chunky thing over it for it not to, and then at that point, it would still be not waterproof. So